Mastering everyday English, to be in good shape. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unpacking a very popular phrase you might have heard in conversations, movies, or even read in books: to be in good shape. Understanding these phrases can significantly boost your fluency and make you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get into it and explore what this phrase really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. To be in good shape is a versatile phrase used in English to describe either physical fitness or the general condition of something or someone. When referring to a person, it means being physically fit, healthy, and strong. However, it's not just limited to physical condition. This phrase can also refer to the state of readiness or condition of objects, projects, or even situations. For instance, saying a project is in good shape means it's progressing well and meeting expectations. To fully grasp how to use "to be in good shape," let's look at some examples in various contexts. Physical fitness. After months of training, I'm finally in good shape for the marathon. Objects or things. We checked the car before the road trip, and it's in good shape. Projects or situations. Our presentation for next week is in good shape. We just need to practice a bit more. These examples show how the phrase can seamlessly fit into conversations about health, objects, and even work or school projects. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can enrich your vocabulary and help you express the same idea in different ways. Here are a few. In tip-top condition. Fit as a fiddle. In good nick. British English. Well-conditioned. Knowing these can help you understand more nuanced conversations and literature, and offer you alternative ways to express the concept of being in good shape. There you have it, a closer look at the phrase, to be in good shape. We hope this video helps you understand not just the literal meaning but also how you can use this phrase in various contexts to enhance your English communication skills. Whether talking about personal fitness, the condition of an object, or the status of a project, you're now equipped to use this phrase confidently. Keep practicing, and don't forget to integrate these phrases into your daily English conversations for that extra polish. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the English language.